been joined by Haryana Congress in charge Vivek Bansal. Sir, today a delegation of Haryana Congress leaders have approached NHRC regarding the recent incident of lathi charge on farmers. What were your demands, sir?
Basically, our demands were that this government should publicly apologize the treatment which was meted out, the barbaric treatment which was meted out to these farmers. Secondly, the officer who had issued, whose instructions were blatantly a violation of the constitution from an officer's point of view, where he was smacking of violence towards the people towards whom he's supposed to redress the grievances. So he needs to be suspended. Thirdly, the problem of the farmers, which had been vexing before this nation for such a long time, needs to be resolved. Government should reach out to them. This is the bounden duty of the present day government, be it a state, be it central. Fourthly, we want that these farmers who have been injured, they need to be, and the farmer who has died, he needs to be compensated adequately by the state government.
Sir, but we are seeing two different views within the Haryana government regarding the statement given by that senior police officer. Deputy Chief Minister is saying that an action should be taken against him. But while on the other hand, Chief Minister is saying that he was fulfilling his duty.
So that in itself is contradictory. The Chief Minister is very confused. That reflects. He's not, and this is the reason that the state is directionless. He's not able to steer the state towards his, where he's supposed to lead the state to. And I'm sorry to say that had this confused state of mind been not there, things could have been resolved much earlier as far as Kisan agitation is. The fact that it has been lingering and festering, this insensitivity on the part of the present day government has compounded this problem.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We have been joined by Haryana PCC Chief Kumari Shelja. Ma'am, today a delegation of Haryana Congress leaders approached NHRC regarding the recent incident of lathi charge on the farmers. Ma'am, what were your demands?
We have demanded strictest action against those officers who have come out in the open and have already said, even before the farmers could get up from their place where they were sitting and protesting, that they must break their heads, their skulls. When they had already decided to do that, what else do you expect? And the Chief Minister was sitting there. The whole city of Karnal was fortified. It was turned into a fortress. And yet they could not ensure peace because they themselves have resorted to violence, to this barbaric act of injuring our farmers, of using lathis, not in a way to stop a protest, but with the clear intent of injuring them, breaking their heads, and the results are for all to see. One farmer has even died after that, and you can imagine what kind of a barbaric state Haryana has turned into.
Ma'am, a video has also been surfaced on the social media of a senior officer giving orders that they should
That is exactly what I'm saying. This was a premeditated act of violence against the farmers.
But ma'am, we are seeing two different views within the Haryana government. As the Deputy Chief Minister is saying that there should be an action taken.
This is all part of their plan. This is all part of their plan, that one section will appease and the other section will use such language. This is all part of their plan. They are both hand in glove. It's a repressive government in Haryana, and they will use all kind of tactics against our farmers and labor.
Ma'am, Haryana Chief Minister is blaming Punjab CM Captain Amrinder Singh, saying that he is the one who is behind all these agitation of farmers.
Actually, what is the Haryana government doing? Why can't the Haryana government speak to our farmers directly? Why are they bringing in Punjab? Why are they bringing in the Punjab Chief Minister? What are you doing? Every time the Kisan wants to protest, you use violence against them. This is what Haryana is doing. Don't bring in Punjab.
Thank you so much. This was Haryana PCC Chief Kumari Shelja, who said that Haryana government should reply to the farmers what are they doing for their welfare. And today a delegation of Haryana Congress leaders have approached NHRC to demand a strict action against the officer who was giving orders to the other police personnel to lathi charge on the farmers who were protesting in Karnal. This is Nyamika Singh reporting from Delhi for ETV Bharat.